Hey y'all, it's your girl, and I am back with another video. I look a little rough right now, but I'm about to get my hair done soon, and I have some affordable hair. This is gonna be affordable hair video. The hair I have is from my local beauty supply store. This is the hair. This is 3 pieces, 3 bundles, 3 bundles, 280 grams. It's curl safe, curl iron safe up to 400 degrees. Do not brush. Fine comb to remove the tangles. Apply conditioner. Well, it's just giving me details on how to wash this hair. I have the inches 18. The inches 18, 20, and 22. This is body wave hair. It feels good to be hair store hair, and I did do my research on this hair before I went to buy it. I think this is the 20 inch. The one is not already opened. The other one, I think this is the 18 inch. This is the 20. I also got some caps, some castor oil, black castor oil, because I need the oil to blow dry my hair and when it's time to flat iron, and some glue, just in case we do a quick weave instead of a sew in. But I want her to sew it in because I want it to last a little longer. So hopefully she decides to sew it in. And I think this is the longest bundle. Okay, so y'all see I just took the net off, and it's like staticky, and it does shed. Well, my shortest bundle shed when I first took it off, but now I'm not getting no shedding. So I'm not getting a lot of shedding from this hair. This is the longest bundle, 22. Can't wait to put it in. Take these off to show y'all. This hair is soft. Like, for this to be hair store hair, I could tell this has some synthetic fibers, that it's not 100% human hair. But for it to be like synthetic hair, well, it has synthetic fibers in it, it's good quality. So I'm gonna just open this up and see what's going on. What's going on, baby girl? Let's just see how thick the weft is. I'm scared to do this blonde hair. I really am. Like, sometimes blonde make me look washed out, y'all. So we just gonna have to see. We just gonna have to see what's going on. I got a lot to do to my head. I gotta wash my head, all type of stuff. So this is how thick the weft is. Y'all can see, not really that thick, so you would want to double it up. So I'm gonna double it up in the back, of course, and in the middle. So this is the longest bundle. I believe this is the 22. I'm not gonna be doing my hair. My aunt is gonna be doing my hair because, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm too pregnant to be dealing with my own freaking hair. And this is body wave hair, so it do get tangly. But I'm not saying, I'm saying a little bit of shedding. A little bit, I see. A little bit, but not that much, even when I just took the weft apart. So I'm excited. Y'all, I'm getting my hair braided down while we wait. My braids are kind of big, but it don't matter because it's gonna be black. We watching Super Bowl commercials on now, and the TV is super loud. But yeah, I'm getting my hair braided down, and I'll begin to sew in a minute. Turkish Airlines. So I'll show you guys when it's all done. What's up?
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN.
Alright guys, this is the final look of my hair. It is a leave out, a minimum leave out for my baby hairs, and a little bit of leave out over here, that side under there, just in case I want to pull it back into a little ponytail or something. But yeah, this is my first time getting 613 hair, and my roots black, so yeah, Ashley's laid. It's flat. My auntie did this, so I'm just gonna brush through it and show you guys that it don't really got no shedding. Nope. And this is just night one, really. Get a little tangly, so you always want to keep like a cute little paddle brush or a little paddle brush near you to make sure your hair is not tangling up. But as you can see, it's cute. I like it, it's cute. And I'm gonna show you guys the back. This is what the back looks like. It's full. It's neat. And yeah, so it's like probably half a weft of 18 left that I have left, and yeah, half 13 left, and the rest, I mean, I have a lot of hair left, so that's good. She means she did a good job to have some hair left over, and it's already full. So just from using our 2.5 bundles, I guess that would be 2.5. I use this freeze spray. No, this is freeze hairspray from Aussie to lay down my flyaways. I put a little bit in my hand and put it on there. Make your hands a little sticky, but that's okay. And I actually like to use this edge control. My aunt put me onto this edge control. As y'all can see, my baby hairs is laid. They're not oily. They laid, baby. This is the one that she has me using. Easy Edges. Easy. The letter is Easy. Easy Edges Edge Control. Coconut Oil Extra Hold. That's the one she put me on too. And so I like it. This is the hair I'll be wearing into labor. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will come back to you guys with another video soon. And if you guys enjoyed this video, if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you know when I post another video, baby. And I love you guys. Peace.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM.